Morning, everybody. It's June 23rd, a little after 6 in the morning. We like to get up about 5 o'clock, watch the sun come up, and get ready for the day. Try to get down here around 6 o'clock in the morning. We can start getting stuff laid out. Today we're gonna be running pine. We got some 2x6 orders for 2x6s and some 2x4s for a couple orders for some customers. We're gonna try to cut what we can cut. Got a customer showing up this morning sometime, hopefully with a trailer, so we can take the loader and load her up the pine slabs. The second cuts come off a log that comes off the bandsaw here. We're gonna sell her the whole pile, the whole shebang this morning. Hopefully she'll show up this morning, you know, and we can get this thing loaded up for her. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna crank the loader up, let it warm up. We're gonna go on and raise the saw head up. We got to put the lubrication in. We got to, you know, get the day started. So, you know, everybody was wanting to know kind of how I do stuff down here. What my day consists of. You know, we like to have fun. We talk a little junk now, but we try to get some work done. So I got a big old pile of round slabs I need to burn up. So I'm probably gonna light a match to it, and I need to take that slab holder. There's gonna be a lot of running around cleaning up this morning, but then we're gonna get in those yellow pine and try to get some in 2x6s. So we'll see what happens. Y'all stick around. We'll see how the day goes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding water to the lubrication tank on the sawmill. The sawmill is a Woodland Mills HM126. I can cut a 26 diameter inch log up to 16.5 foot long. Now that log, if it's 26 inches, what they don't tell you, yeah, you can cut it. Problem is, it's got to be straight as a flipping arrow. And it's because the saw head won't lift up so much. You can trim on the sides all you want, but the saw head ain't gonna lift it so high. So we try to stay somewhere around 18, 22 inches, something like that. That's about our sweet spot. I add water and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. What I add to my lubrication, it helps the blade to stay lubricated a little bit, knocks down some of that pitch in that blade, and it cools that blade off a little bit. There for a while I was having a problem with my drive wheel being getting a little too hot there, so I started adding a little more dish soap to it. But anyways, I resharpen all my own blades. I do buy them locally. I buy the Ripper 37s. They've been working out good for me. I've heard good and bad about them, but mostly I ain't had no problem out of them. I had a couple problems out of one or two, but you know, that's just the way it goes with any type of product, you know. But we're gonna go over here and crank this loader up right quick.
Ah! That's what we got now. Pretty yellow pine. Pretty. That's why I had to notch it out to make it fit through the guide. The mouth of the saw is about 20 inches or so. 19 and a half, 20 inches. I try to stay about 19. We're down to about 17 inch wide log now, so we're gonna turn around and put you back on the stand, and we're gonna flip her over and try to knock off this left side, which y'all see on the left side. When we can get it down to a little bit more manageable size. Stay with us. Welcome to Knotty Pine.
Hoopla!